ready. Come on, hurry up already.
Hey, Rob.
Hey, Jamie. So we're showing this customer how to use her mandolin. This is the way we recommend storing it. So the handle just clips on the back. A lot of people miss out on that.
Okay.
So just pull it all apart.
Yeah, I have it
Now
all
you're ready
apart.
to use it.
Okay.
So this is the Borner V Slicer.
Okay.
Nice, easy to use machine. The V shape makes it very simple for slicing. So let's start with the basics, just setting it. So this is what's known as the safe.
Yeah, it's in the safe mode, which you can't slice.
You won't slice your hand. And then you just push the button in and pull back and hit the first setting. It's got the little notches right here. And you can actually see it. Well, yeah, a little bit. So we'll just set it right there.
Okay.
So we'll do like it's about 1/8 of an inch.
Okay.
Always make sure the pins are impaled on whatever you want to slice.
Yeah.
It's much safer that way. 4 fingers in the back, and you just go. That's all there is to it. When you get closer to the bed, just make sure that where those 2 arrows is riding on here.
Okay.
Don't turn it this way because you might put the plastic into the blade.
Okay.
So we'll just adjust it a little thinner.
But not everything works well with that. You know, if you're doing a carrot.
Carrots do. I have a carrot here. We'll do that.
Or an apple, and you core the apple. And
yeah, you can core the apple. I always recommend cutting it in half.
Okay.
You never really want to use a whole carrot.
Oh, okay.
You can, but you're not going to have as much grip on it.
Okay, so you cut the carrot to the size of the...
See, we can do a whole one. We're not going to get a very good cut, though. You'll see chefs do it where they'll just... They'll hold it like this, because that's the way they're used to using one. But you'll also notice they're missing probably about 20 layers of skin usually.
Yeah.
So that's as thin as you can go with the Borner, which is a good thickness, really.
Okay.
So let's cut this down a little bit, make our lives easier.
Okay. What is that?
This is daikon radish.
Oh, daikon
I like
radish.
it because it doesn't smell.
Oh, okay.
You know, and it's not really starchy like a potato.
Okay.
So it's just a really nice thing. So as you're holding it, you notice I use my thumb and index finger, and I just put weight on the black thing, and that just pushes it out.
Okay.
So your fingers never come near the blade.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
Nice and thin.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. Works great for slicing, and then we'll go right up to the thickest, just so that you see it does it nicely.
Okay.
Nice 1/4 inch slices, really even.
Okay. Now, apparently you can chop and you can make matchsticks.
Yes.
And I tried
Let's
that.
Let's do that. We'll pull this guy out. Pull this guy out.
Yeah. That I couldn't work
blade out. Yeah. How do you do those little diced cubes, eh?
Yeah.
Is that the question? All right.
That's right.
Okay. There's 2 settings on here. One is French fry sticks, and the other one is cubes.
Okay.
So just make sure your 2 pins fall in the hole there.
Yeah.
Push down. So now we're at matchstick.
Okay.
So there's your matchsticks. And you'll notice as we're getting to the bottom, it'll no longer slice.
Okay.
Okay? Because, I mean, granted you're going to waste that much, but your fingers are going to be fine.
Okay. Fingers will live to make another meal.
That's the thing, eh?
Okay,
so now we're at the cubing.
Yeah, cube.
Okay, so to cube, how do I cube? I go like that, and then I pull back, turn 45 degrees, and I've cubed.
Okay. Okay. Can you do that one more time?
Go in, pull back, turn.
Okay. Oh, how very clever. All right. Okay. And does this work the same? It just makes them smaller, or what?
That's right. that does the small matchsticks and small cubes. And you notice my second cut was also cubed
Yeah.
because of the depth of this. Third cut won't be. Oh, a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, you'll notice it's much thinner.
Okay.
We can do it in the French fry mode or 1/4 inch mode, but it just doesn't do it all the time.
No. Okay.
It'll do like half of them.
I didn't realize I had to turn it.
Yeah. No, that's the one thing a lot of people
Okay.
just miss on it. It's like, hey, how does this magically do it? You just gotta turn it. So this is your small julienne.
Whoa. I'm going to be doing juliennes. It's incredible.
That's the basics of it. And
Okay.
then taking it apart for cleaning.
Yeah.
Just push in the lever, pull it all right out. And it's just all ready to go.
Okay.
With this, I recommend using a brush.
A brush,
Just
okay.
a fine, soft bristle brush and a little soap, and it'll clean up like nothing.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
So that's the basics.
That's the basics.
Thanks, Rob.
Okay.
That's all I